Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today's video, I'm going to show you my gifts that I'm giving away for my 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so happy. So let's first have our shout out to Dolores, Brenda, Vicki, Joan, Sherry, and waste some time with Maggie. I appreciate each and every one of you. As you can see, I have 3 gifts here. These 2 are similar. You know those little stuffed envelopes that we made just a couple days ago? Well, I made 2 of them and I covered them with fabric. Oh my goodness, I just love how they turned out. I thought they were so much fun to make, as I told you before, so I decided to make 2 and stuff them full of some things. I did put the bells on the bottom. I edged this with those flat back pearls, and I am going to go ahead and show you what this is in here. Now, I am going to say that to enter into the giveaway, you need to comment in the comment section by answering. You can say other things too, but to enter, you need to tell me your favorite video I've made by its title. So that's what your entry is to tell me your favorite video I've made by the video's title. Okay? And the drawing is going to be next Saturday. That's October 28th. Next Saturday is the drawing, 1 week. And so if you enter into the drawing, please check back next Saturday to see if you won, to see if I can get you the gifts that you've won, the gift that you've won, 1 per person. I will be drawing out of the fishbowl. So let's go ahead and let's just start looking at what this is. I've got 2 of these right here. And so let's go ahead and let's just look at this one right here. Now, I put it in upside down because I've got the dangle at the bottom, and so I wanted it to be here at the top. Otherwise, it didn't fit in here very well unless I put it upside down. And like I was saying, I have these pins here. They're just ballpoint pins. Cathy's Garden YouTube channel. That will come with your gift. And you get this little junk journal that I've decorated. I've kind of gone pink this time. I don't know how that happened, but I guess it was because I was dyeing those papers. And so they were out and I hadn't put them away yet, and so everything just kind of became a theme around those pink beet dyed papers. So you'll be getting some of those papers in the little flip journal here, and then of course you'll get some pieces of ephemera on either side here. The pocket right here made out of cloth with a little flower and a label and some of that net and lace. And then of course we've got the little pearls that hang down. Oh my goodness, that's a little picture of some columbine there. Love that color, just think that's beautiful. And here I decorated a glassine bag. I put a little miniature clothespin right here. I just decorated it to make it, cute and special. I put a little side tuck on here, and there's a little tiny itty bitty tag that is sewn around the edge with the machine, and then a very small little postcard right here, and that's in the pocket. And then inside here I made some clusters, and I made them out of some of the fabric from what I covered the stuffed envelope with, and I just thought that they turned out so cute. Added a button and some lace and a little bit of kind of like some eyelash type of yarn, and that's how that looks. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you could decorate your little book with them. You could use them for another journal. You could use this book yourself and the gifts yourself. You could actually give it as a gift if you wanted to give it away and re-gift it. I think it would make a very lovely gift. So that would be your choice to do what you want to with it. But like I said, if you enter, please do check back next Saturday to see if your name is pulled out of the fishbowl as one of the 3 winners. So I'm just placing this back on here, just like this. Okay, and then I'm just putting the little ephemera back in the bag, just like that. Oh my goodness, I love how it sounds too. Now I am putting this upside down because of the tassels that I have here. It doesn't fit well in the stuffed bag going the right way, and I think I'll pop this like this, and then I'll just put it right inside. And like I said, the other one is similar in the fact that you get the bag and you get the clusters and you get the pen and you get a little journal. Now this journal, I won't show you what's in the bag because like I said, it's exactly the same. And it's decorated extremely similar to the other one. You get the little tag and you get, it's a different journaling card there, but the clusters are, you know, made the same way. This one is made the same way, except the cover is a different flower. So it looks like this. It's got more yellow to it with the pink. I'm not sure what flower that is, but I did think it looked really pretty on here. And once again, you get some little journaling cards inside the pocket, and it has the same similar types of paper inside, same number, and more journaling cards. So that's how that looks, just like that. So once again, I have to put it upside down so that the dangles from the little junk journal, it all can fit in here. It's a tight squeeze, guys. It is tight. I have stuffed it. It's true to its name. It is a stuffed envelope. All right, so there's 2 of these. All right, so the large prize that I have, I made a little bag for it. Now, if the person who wins this, if they're a seamstress, don't be too critical. It's sewn together, but it's not like perfect or anything like that. But I put the little pom-pom trim on it. It does come with a pin as well. And the pom-pom trim goes all the way around. Oh, I just think that's so much fun. The polka-dotted little cloth and the drawstring here with the white grosgrain ribbon. And I put a little dangle right here. This little bead, pearl bead dangle. Let's go ahead and let's open this up and let's see what we have in here. Up just like that. All right. We have a covered notebook. So I've got a vintage earring here with some net and some crinkled seam binding and some pink tassels and some little pieces of sewing ephemera. I've got lace. I've got a vintage little doily right here. I've got some vintage lace here that used to be my mother's here on the side. And then I have some beautiful paper that looks a little patchworky. And then I've covered the spine with, I think it's embroidery material. Let me get my computer going again. And that's how the back looks. So I just thought that was really sweet. Let's look inside. Inside, what you'll find is you'll get 3 handmade envelopes. Let's take these out. In this pocket right here that has the lace around it. And it's got a little vintage letter and some washi tape, and I made some envelopes. Now I did not fill them. I made them just so you could send this one in the mail. There's nothing wrong with this one. And they each have a little paper clip, an altered paper clip. We made these paper clips together in a video. And so this one has this one on it. And then I just staggered them, put them in here like this, and I just staggered as I went. This one looks like this. And you could mail it if you put a label here, like a white label. They would allow you to do that. And then this is an altar paper clip that we made together as well. I thought it was pretty and it went well with it. It's a side one, but I thought I could put it this way as well. I thought there was nothing wrong with putting it that way. And then we have this one right here. Envelope, and then this altered paper clip we made a very long time ago in a video, and it just clips on just like that, and then I'll just pop it right in there like this. Now this is the first page, and I backed it with 2 different pieces of two different digitals, and I sewed around the edge. Now I didn't ink any of this notebook. The envelopes are inked, and so is the ephemera, the altered paper clip, but I did not ink here at all. I did put a little tab here, so this is nice and firm. And then there's a second one here, and I tried to make the tabs be fairly even. They're not too off. You have about the same amount of papers in between each tab. And this one looks like this. Oh, I just love that. That's so pretty. And on this side, we have the same digital right here. Then we've got your pages that you can journal on. And then there's this one, the pink. And then we have the same digital on the back. Now on the very back cover, what I've done is I made, from the offcuts of the envelope, I made the faux envelope fold down, just like this, that you could journal on, or you could make notes or whatever. I just thought that, oh, I didn't want it to go to waste, and I thought that that went very nice if I just made a fold down of each one of the papers that I made the envelopes from, and I just tucked them right in here and staggered them just like I did with my envelopes. And then I just have 2 little index cards here. I thought, well, you might be able to do something with those, journal on them. It's such that luscious color that I just went to town coloring all those papers the other night. So that is what I'm going to be giving in my giveaway. And once again, I really want to thank you all for watching my videos and for liking my videos, sharing my videos. It means the world to me. I enjoy doing this so much, so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget to enter. You need to say in the comment section of this video, you need to tell me your favorite video I've made by its title, and then check back next Saturday, that's October the 28th, to see if your name has been pulled out of the fishbowl. Oh, you guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.